Welcome to the South African lawn.
Good day and welcome to the South African lawn. Okay, right, so this episode is actually about weed control in my lawn. But now I just want to show you a snippet of this garden that we're trying to recover here. And the reason why we're doing this is we bought this house approximately a year ago, and this garden wasn't looking great, but we had that border collie dog. Which I'll show you a picture of. Unfortunately, she was poisoned about 2 months ago. Some idiot must have poisoned her, unfortunately. Very sad. Ooh, okay. But now we're looking at doing something nice in this bed right here. Okay, so currently we've got going on this agapanthus here. Then I've planted this thing, well, actually a couple of them. That one that dog dug out approximately 400 to 500 times, so that's dead. We had some beautiful pansies and things right there. She also took out, they were annuals in any case, so I'm not too worried about them. But now we've got these hibiscus bushes. So now we've got these hibiscus bushes. We're gonna plant them in there and we're gonna see how they look. Are you happy about it? Actually, it wasn't my idea.
It was mine.
It was all Annie's idea. Okay. Vatala. Okay, so what's happening here is we're doing a hell of a lot of planning. And I'm just standing here because I'm going to mess it up somewhere. She's going to be mad at me somewhere. I'm actually just here to do labor. Okay, so we'll definitely need one of those right there. I actually want them to cover this whole fence right there, because I don't really, well, I don't mind the look of that. I think it'll look awesome when it's covered.
She's eating a rock.
Okay, so while you're at it, tell us how fertile the soil is.
Very fertile.
Okay, so she doesn't know, but I'll tell you what, this soil is so fertile. Look at this. It's the black gold. You can plant a weed and harvest a rose bush. It tastes like poop, I promise you.
How did it taste?
Oh, it's great, I loved it. As far as I know, they say your hole needs to be twice the size of your pot. I know, there's nothing much to this. Hold on. You just want to cut the roots that's growing against the walls of the bowl that it came in. You just want to cut that so it promotes sideways growth. Also, I spoke to a landscaper the other day and she gave me some great advice when planting young trees, and I'm sure it'll work with any tree that can really die of frost in the winter, and that's to put large rocks onto the root system of the tree. I didn't know this was going to help. She says the large rocks retain heat much better, so at night when the temperatures are a lot lower, they don't tend to freeze up the roots.
Is that done?
Yep, it's planted. Mila, stop it. This dog does not stop drinking the coffee. But there's no I in team. Look, teamwork makes the dream work. Me and my wife, we're just nailing this. Looks fantastic. So this one here, we're gonna split just like we did with those ones there. Just bring it in a little bit closer so we can see. We're just gonna split them like that, and then when we transplant them, I just might cut. No, actually I'm going to leave them, but you can cut this off, so it sends the energy to the roots. So that's an idea, and we're just going to use it around the two left and right hand sides, and then we're going to do some annual plants or flowers in the middle here to pop the color. Okay, so I'm going to wrap up the video here. Thank you so much for everyone watching. Thank you to Annie who helped me. We'll see you in the next video. Cheers for now. Bye bye.